Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making beef ramen stir fry. Alright, I'm starting out in my large wok I have preheating, and I'm going to add in some olive oil. You can also use vegetable oil if you don't have olive oil. And I have a large head of broccoli I cut up into little pieces. We're going to get that in the oil. And I have one red bell pepper and one onion I diced up. We're going to get them in there. And I diced everything coarse so you can still see the texture and taste the texture while we're in our stir fry. So I'm going to go ahead and stir fry this around for about 5 minutes or so everything starts to soften up. Alright, now that my vegetables are all fried up and softened up, actually steamed in there as they fried, I have 2 pounds of ground beef I'm going to get in here and brown up. And this isn't lean, so I'm going to have to drain the excess grease off. And I'm going to season this with salt and pepper as I brown it up. Alright, while my ground beef browns up, we're going to make the sauce for over our stir fry. I have a cup of soy sauce in here. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm also going to add in 2 tablespoons, tripping over my tongue. Dexter has me wound up, he's being a bad boy. Now he's going quiet because the camera's on. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Alright, now I'm going to add in a tablespoon of sriracha sauce. And I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of diced garlic. If you use fresh, use 2 cloves. And I'm going to give that a stir and let it set aside for just now. Alright, now I'm going to take 4 packs of these ramen noodles. I'm using beef flavored. It really doesn't matter because we're not going to use the flavor packets. But don't throw them out because they'll come in handy for making beef stock, for soup or stew, and making gravies later on. So hold on to them. I'm using 4 packs of these. I'm going to get them in here and cook them to the directions on the pack, which is 3 minutes. And then we'll drain them and put them over our stir fry. Alright, now that my ground beef is all browned up, I'm going to dump my noodles in. I'm also going to add in some green onion or scallions. And I'm adding them in now so they keep their crunch. If I would have fried them, they would have got tender. I'm going to add in those vegetables we fried up in the beginning. And then I'm going to add in the sauce that we mixed together. And I'm going to go ahead and stir this all together. And you just want to blend it together well. Get all of your sauce mixed in there and get all your vegetables and ground beef mixed up. This is ready to go, guys. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. Dexter, you were quiet while I was doing the video for the most part. Now you're being noisy. Really good flavor, well seasoned. Try some of my broccoli and beef. Beef's tender, well seasoned. Broccoli has a little bit of a crunch to it, but you want that with Chinese food. You don't want it soggy. That's really good, guys, and it was really easy. Alright, there you have it. Beef ramen stir fry. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I'll see ya.